Traveling should be an exciting and stress-free experience, but without the right tools, it can quickly become overwhelming. From booking flights and accommodations to navigating foreign cities, the right apps can save you time, money, and effort. Whether you're a frequent traveler or planning your first big trip, having the best travel apps on your phone can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll introduce you to the top travel apps and tools that will help you plan, book, and explore with ease. From finding the cheapest flights to language translation and local navigation, these apps will ensure a hassle-free journey. Get ready to make your travel experience smoother than ever before. 1. Google Maps. Your ultimate navigation companion. Getting lost in a new city can be frustrating, but Google Maps is here to help. This app offers accurate directions for driving, walking, cycling, and public transport, making it an essential tool for any traveler. You can download offline maps in advance, so even if you don't have internet access, you can still find your way. The real-time traffic updates and public transport schedules make commuting in unfamiliar places stress-free. Google Maps also provides restaurant and hotel recommendations based on user reviews, helping you make the best choices. The Street View feature allows you to explore an area virtually before you even get there. You can also save favorite places, create custom maps, and share them with friends. Whether you're in a bustling city or remote village, this app ensures you never feel lost. The ability to get estimated arrival times, alternate routes, and voice-guided navigation makes Google Maps a must-have for travelers. 2. Skyscanner. Find the cheapest flights with ease. Booking flights can be expensive, but Skyscanner makes it easy to find the best deals. This powerful flight search engine compares millions of flights from different airlines and travel agencies. The Everywhere search feature helps you find the cheapest destinations based on your budget. You can also set price alerts to track fare changes and book when prices drop. The app includes filters for airlines, layovers, and travel dates, allowing you to customize your search. It even suggests the cheapest days to fly, helping you save money. Skyscanner also offers hotel and car rental deals, making it a one-stop shop for travelers. Whether you're planning a last-minute trip or booking months in advance, this app ensures you get the best prices available. By analyzing historical price trends, Skyscanner helps you make informed booking decisions to avoid overpaying for flights. 3. Airbnb. Unique stays and local experiences. Hotels can be expensive, but Airbnb offers unique and affordable accommodation options. From cozy apartments to luxury villas, you can find a stay that suits your budget and style. The app connects you with local hosts, giving you an authentic travel experience. Airbnb also offers experiences, where you can book local activities like cooking classes, guided tours, or outdoor adventures. The detailed reviews and host ratings help you choose a safe and comfortable place to stay. You can filter searches based on amenities, price, and location for a customized experience. If you're traveling with a group, booking an entire home can be more cost-effective than multiple hotel rooms. Airbnb also allows long-term stays, perfect for digital nomads or extended vacations. The app's flexible cancellation policies make it easy to adapt to changing travel plans without losing money. 4. Rome to Rio. The ultimate transport guide. Figuring out the best way to travel between destinations can be a challenge, but Rome to Rio simplifies the process. This app shows you all possible transportation options, including flights, trains, buses, ferries, and driving routes. It compares travel times and costs so you can choose the most efficient option. Rome to Rio is perfect for planning multi-city trips and finding budget-friendly travel routes. It also provides direct booking links, making reservations easy. Whether you're hopping between European cities or traveling across continents, this app is a lifesaver. The ability to check estimated fares and compare different travel methods helps you make the best decision for both time and budget. 5. Google Translate. Break the language barrier. Traveling to a country where you don't speak the language? Google Translate is your best friend. With support for over 100 languages, this app helps you communicate effortlessly. You can type, speak, or even use the camera feature to translate signs, menus, and documents. Offline translation is available, so you're never stuck without help. The conversation mode allows real-time voice translation between two languages, making interaction smoother. Whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or chatting with locals, this app ensures nothing gets lost in translation. The pronunciation guide and handwriting recognition features are additional perks that make communication seamless in foreign countries. 6. Z Currency. Stay updated on exchange rates. Managing money while traveling internationally can be tricky, but Z Currency keeps you informed. This app provides real-time exchange rates for every currency, helping you avoid scams and bad deals. You can calculate conversions on the go, even without an internet connection. It also offers historical rate charts to track currency trends. If you frequently deal with multiple currencies, Z Currency makes transactions simple. Whether you're shopping, dining, or exchanging money, this app ensures you get the best value. It even allows users to set custom rate alerts to monitor currency fluctuations and convert money at the best time. 7. TripIt. Your personal travel organizer. Keeping track of flight tickets, hotel bookings, and itineraries can be stressful, but TripIt organizes everything in one place. Simply forward your booking confirmation emails, and the app will create a detailed itinerary for you. It includes flight updates, hotel check-in details, and reservation numbers, making travel hassle-free. The Pro version even provides real-time flight alerts and alternative route suggestions. With TripIt, you'll never have to scramble through emails to find your travel details. The app syncs with your calendar and allows you to access all travel documents offline, making organization effortless. 8. PackPoint. Smart Packing Assistant. Packing can be overwhelming, but PackPoint creates customized packing lists based on your destination, weather, and activities. Simply enter your trip details, and the app suggests what to bring. It even reminds you to pack essentials like chargers, travel adapters, and documents. PackPoint ensures you never forget anything important for your trip. You can also share your packing lists with fellow travelers, making it a handy tool for group trips. 9. Couchsurfing. Free stays and local connections. If you're a budget traveler looking for free accommodation, Couchsurfing connects you with locals offering a free place to stay. More than just a cost-saving option, this app helps you meet new people and experience local culture. Hosts often provide tips, recommendations, and even tours. Couchsurfing is perfect for adventurous travelers looking to make friends around the world. The app also offers local events and meetups to enhance your social experience while traveling. 10. Uber and Lyft. Convenient local transport. Taxis can be expensive and unreliable in some places, but Uber and Lyft provide safe and affordable rides. Available in many countries, these apps offer upfront pricing, multiple payment options, and driver ratings for safety. You can also schedule rides in advance or share your trip details with family for added security. Whether you're heading to the airport, a hotel, or a tourist attraction, these apps ensure reliable transport at your fingertips. With the right travel apps and tools, you can eliminate stress and make your journeys more enjoyable. From finding cheap flights to navigating foreign cities, these apps simplify every aspect of travel. Download them before your next trip and experience hassle-free adventures. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more best travel tips. Safe travels, and may your journeys be smooth and exciting.